Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Koom and thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I have a very fun video. It is going to be on my summer essential clothes that I keep reaching out to during summer, during very hot months. And these are my personal favorite and these are the things that I have owned since like months and months. हो गए कुछ तो कुछ सालों भी. So I will be recommending everything that I genuinely love and I think it's perfect for summer. All the links will be provided in my description box so you guys can go and check it out before they get out of stock. Amazon में बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो जाता है, so अगर आपके size में available है then just go and grab it before it gets out of stock. So yeah, let's start the video guys. Let's start with the bathrobes. I am clearly obsessed with it. I have total of 4 bathrobes and it's not like मैं back to back करके खरीद रही हूँ, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I have bathrobes since like 4 साल हो गए मेरे को. ये जो ग्रे वाला आप लोग मेरे को पहनते हुए देखते हैं ना, this is like 4 years old and the white one that I got last year, yeah, last year I think, क्योंकि brands demand ऐसा white bathrobe ऐसा कभी-कभी, तो मैंने सोचा कि ले लेती हूँ. It's in same material and the quality is amazing. It's from Amazon only and it's so good. And here is the newest one that I got in white color again, but this one has a print guys. And this is something that I was looking for since last year. I wanted to get in green and white color but green wala out of stock tha, so I thought like ये blue वाला भी out of stock होने से पहले I just want to grab it. I love that this is white in color and it can be worn during summer and during winter also. Clearly I'm obsessed with this one, so yeah, I would highly recommend you all to get a bathrobe guys, क्योंकि I feel like bathrobe मतलब इतना vibe भी set करते हैं. Also not only about the vibe but towel मेरे को लगता है कि थोड़ा नहाने के बाद थोड़ा messy हो जाते हैं. एक तो आपको बालों में बांधना पड़ते हैं, एक आपको body में. So I prefer bathrobes and I love my bathrobes a lot. So I'm going to provide all the links in my description box. You guys can go and check it out. It's totally worth it. Okay, so moving on to my next one, I have PJs guys. Now if you guys know me, you guys know I love PJs a lot. I can literally live in night suits. So I have 3 sets here to show you all. Okay, so I'm going to start with my favorite one, that is this red one that you guys have seen me wearing it like zillion times. This is so comfortable and this is one of my favorite PJ. The color, it's amazing, and also the print guys, I love it and it's very comfortable. And this is I think 100% cotton, इसीलिए ना ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है. I would highly recommend you all this PJ. I genuinely love PJs, so I wanted to do a PJ haul for such a long time, लेकिन मेरे पास इतना ज़्यादा PJs है and मेरे पास links नहीं है सबका, so I didn't want to do पूरा ऐसा haul वाला. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं 1-2 order करके देखती हूँ affordable वाला. So here's the first one, which is in cotton blend material and it looks like this. I ordered this in M size, ठीक है, and it is like so छोटा on me. Like ये मेरे को ना fit ही नहीं हो रही, ये इतना tight हो रही कि I cannot wear this and show you all, क्योंकि it's like that tight guys. So if you're getting this, you have to get it in like I think 2 to 3 size bigger. Need to exchange this and get it in like XL, क्योंकि M is clearly not fitting me and I do not like my PJs to be very tight. So this is the upper one. It looks really nice, the color is amazing and there are so many more prints available, so you guys can go and check it out. And here is the bottom one, which is a very cute one again. I love it but it's not fitting me, so I have to exchange it and get it in like 2 bigger size. In like, yeah, I think I'll get it in XL only. It's amazing, okay guys, but it doesn't fit me, so I can't wear it and show you all. Here's the next PJ that I got for 449 rupees and it looks like this. The color is amazing. There are so many more prints available in so many more colors available and I really like the color and also love the print. But the thing is, I ordered this in M size. I thought कि मेरे को fit हो जाएगा, but like the previous one, this one is also tight on me, so I can't wear it and show you all क्योंकि it's like so tight and I'm not comfortable. I am going to get the size exchanged क्योंकि it's so tight on me, but I love the print and also love the color. There are so many more colors available. ये वाला PJ में भी और last वाला PJ में भी there are so many more prints also available, so you guys can go and check it out. Okay, so now coming back to the tops that I keep reaching out to, I have 3 basic tops and I have showed this पहले भी आप लोगों को, and it is in white color, in grey color and in black color. I feel like these 3 are the colors जो ना विंटर में भी अच्छे लगते हैं, समर में भी अच्छे लगते हैं एंड इट्स सो बेसिक कि ना आप ये हमेशा पहनोगे तब भी कोई नोटिस करके नहीं बोलेगा कि ओ यू वोर दिस दैट डे ऑल्सो। ये वैसा वाला टाइप का टॉप है कि यू कैन वेयर इट ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे। सो लेट मी शो यू ऑल वन बाय वन। हियर्स माई पर्सनल फेवरेट दैट इज इन ब्लैक कलर, क्योंकि इसका जो मटेरियल है ना इट इज़ सो नाइस एंड मैंने ये बहुत बारी कहा है दैट ये जो टॉप है ये मेरा बॉडी को इतना अच्छे से टक करता है। और मैंने ना रिसेंटली देखा है कि इसका प्राइस 399 हो गया है और आई गॉट दिस इन M size. So you guys can go and check it out. This is from a very good brand that is the Soul Store. So I love this so much. Black summer में लोग इतना नहीं पहनते, but this material is so good that you can wear it almost every day. And here's the next one, which is in grey color that I wore recently when I went out with my friend. And इसका जो मटेरियल है ना इट्स इन दैट रिप्ड मटेरियल, सो इट मे नॉट बी दैट कंफर्टेबल ड्यूरिंग समर्स, बट आई वोर दिस रिसेंटली और ये तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगा. सो आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू वेयर इट अगेन. लव द कलर, लव द फिटिंग. अगेन दिस इज इन M size and it is from the same brand as I mentioned. It's amazing guys. And here is the last one, which is in white color, again from the same brand, but this one is so thick guys, like thicker than the grey one also. So I don't know कि ये मैं समर में पहन पाऊंगी या नहीं, but white color I feel like समर में थोड़ा अच्छा ही लगता है. So I will try to wear this. And अगर आप ठंडा जगह से बिलोंग करते हो then just go and grab it क्योंकि it is so nice. So I'll try to find same brand से ये ब्लैक वाला जो मटेरियल है ये मटेरियल में मैं फाइंड करने के लिए कोशिश करूंगी, क्योंकि आई रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम मैंने देखा था अमेजोन में. अगर मेरे को मिलता है तो यू गाइस विल फाइंड इट ऑब्वियसली इन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक इट आउट. इफ यू आर इनटू बेसिक देन आई फील लाइक दिस थ्री आर द ओनली कलर्स दैट यू नीड दिस समर एंड ऑल्सो विंटर में. ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स आई लव ओवरसाइज टी शर्ट्स एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू इंक्लूड एनी ओवरसाइज टी शर्ट्स इन दिस वीडियो क्योंकि देयर इज एन एंटायर वीडियो. सो you guys can go and check out that video because I love oversized t-shirt and I cannot do my summer without oversized t-shirts. They are amazing. You can wear them घर में भी, you can wear them out also. So you guys can go and check out that video. Now coming on to the next one, it has to be my shirt collection. I do own a lot of shirts, but here are my two favorites from Amazon. So I wanted to show you all two that are available right now. Okay, so here's the first one which you guys have seen me wearing it so many times now and I love it so much. इसका क्वालिटी इतना ज़्यादा सही है और मैंने इतना रिकमेंड किया है कि ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया है. रिसेंटली ये स्टॉक में आया था बट अगेन इट वेंट आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. बट आई एम शोइंग यू ऑल हियर क्योंकि मैंने देखा है इसमें ना और 2 या 3 कलर्स अवेलेबल है फ्रॉम द सेम ब्रांड. क्वालिटी इज गोइंग टू बी सेम ओनली एंड ऑल्सो द हैंड डिटेलिंग एवरीथिंग इज सेम, बस दैट कलर डिफरेंट है. सो आई थॉट कि आई विल mention this here taki if you guys want to go and check out this shirt you guys can go and check out in different color. So here's the next shirt that I ordered recently and this is from this brand Vero Moda. this brand का जो quality होता है ना ये बहुत ज़्यादा सही होता है. Okay, so this is a top cum shirt you can say, like office wear के लिए. It has that blazer वाला feeling but it's a top and look at the detailing guys. I am obsessed with this one. If I feel like going to some events then I can definitely wear this and it gives such a classy wala vibe. Look at the pearl button guys, it's so nice. You can, I think yeah, you can take this off also and yeah, it looks amazing guys. I really like it. It's so good. It has that blazer wala feeling but it's just a regular set top and the material is also so nice. I think this is in M size. Yeah, this is in M size and the color is so pretty. Okay, so moving on with some tops that I love to wear out. The first one has to be the one that I'm wearing right now. It has a very pretty सा print here which is a cherry print. I wore it recently also and I got a lot of compliments. मैंने Instagram में फोटो भी डाला था and I am obsessed with this top guys क्योंकि ना it is so comfortable, very lightweight and I love the style so much. Like look at this guys, it looks so easy breezy and it is amazing. This is one of my favorite summer tops and I see myself wearing this a lot. There are more colors and in more prints available. I really want to get that but let's see. फिलहाल नहीं लूँगी but if I need any या if I'll go on a trip तो definitely I am going to purchase from Amazon only क्योंकि quality wise it's amazing. और जिन लोगों ने भी ये टॉप लिया होगा मेरा recommendation से, you guys know only कि how amazing the quality is. It is so good. So here's the next one जो मैंने ना मेरा टॉप कलेक्शन में दिखाया था आप लोगों को and this is amazing. The quality is so good and you can wear it like this, you can also wear it like this. मैं जब अपनी friend के घर गई थी ना, at that time I wore this and went and she was like, oh my god, the quality is so good, and she ordered right away. She got it in red color and it looked amazing on her. This is the top material that I would love to wear this pura summer क्योंकि it is so comfortable and it's so nice. Now coming on to my last section, it is going to be bottom section, and I have two bottoms to show you all. Here's the first one, which is a white trouser. I love my white trouser so much, but the thing is it is थोड़ा सा transparent या translucent कह लो. अगर आप इसके अंदर में ना कुछ ऐसा bright सा color पहनोगे, then you can see the color. So I don't like that thing about this, but it was too good to return, so I keep wearing this. तो जब भी मैं ये पहनती हूँ ना, I wear it with like shirt हो गया या oversized t-shirt. Yeah, you can also wear tights and then you can wear it क्योंकि it works like that also. I got this only for 350 या 300 rupees something. It is amazing, so definitely go and check this out guys. Like this is so good, but keep this in mind कि ये ना थोड़ा सा transparent है, so you'll have to wear a tight inside, or you can just wear an oversized t-shirt या oversized shirt and you're good to go. I think this is also for tall people क्योंकि whenever I'm wearing this, I'm always, you know, like mopping the floor. As you guys can see, it's quite dirty. So moving on to my next and the last bottom, it is a skirt guys. Look at this skirt, it looks so nice. It's black in color and it is a long skirt guys. I do have a long skirt which is in white color. So when I saw this on Amazon for like half of that price, the price that I paid for my white skirt, I was like, I want to give this a try कि इसका quality कैसा होगा. अगर सही होगा then I am going to recommend this to you all. वैसे भी I wanted to get one black color का skirt ऐसे ही long में, so I got this one and I got this only for 499 rupees, which is an amazing price I'll say. The quality wise it's amazing and you guys can see me doing the try on. If you're tall then I think this will also fit you क्योंकि it's little lengthwise थोड़ा सा बड़ा है मेरे लिए, but I love it and I would highly recommend you all. So you guys can go and check out this one before it gets out of stock. अगर आपके पास white color में skirt नहीं है and you want to get one in white color also, you guys can go and check it out क्योंकि ना इसमें black और white दोनों ही available है. So yeah, with that we are done with this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. अगर आपको ये video अच्छा लगा then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And also for my next video I'm planning कि I'll do summer essential but beauty edition में. So do let me know your thoughts on this and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye, take care.